Okay, good morning students. The last video lecture, basic transformer, principle of the transformer, basic principle of the transformer, construction details of the transformer. The today lecture, let us move to the EMF equation of transformer. What is the voltage equation of the transformer? Just see the waveform, all of you. Here 0 to 2,5. The initially 0, finally the 2,5 is a full cycle. 0 to 2,5, start with a 0. The time period 1 by 4f. 2,5 is a full cycle. Omega t is a x-axis, y-axis is a flux. Maximum flux, positive half cycle, negative half cycle, negative maximum flux. Here the t equal to 1 by f. When the primary winding is excited by the alternating voltage V1, it circulates alternating current producing alternating flux phi. It means alternating current is flowing to the circuit. The voltage V1 is produced with respect to the alternating flux phi is produced. The primary winding has a N1 number of turns alternating flux phi linking with the primary winding itself induced EMF when it denoted by E1. It means the primary voltage E1 with respect to the flux in primary winding N1 turns. The same thing, the flux link with the secondary winding through the common magnetic core, it produces induced EMF E2, the secondary winding is mutually induced EMF. It is primary to the secondary, that is primary E1, secondary E2, with respect to the N2 turns, the mutually induced EMF. Here the various quantity, flux phi equal to flux, phi m is the maximum flux, N1 is the number of primary winding, N2 is a number of secondary winding turns, F is a frequency, the supply voltage, E1 is RMS value of the primary induced EMF, E2 is RMS value of the secondary induced EMF. Okay, basic principle of transformer is mutual induction EMF. The average EMF per turn, first you calculate average EMF per turn because average rate of change of flux, that is d phi by dt. What is d phi? Change in flux. Already told, no? 0 to phi m. That is the maximum flux minus 0. That is d phi. What is dt? Time required for changing in flux. Time required changing in the flux. D phi is phi m by 0. dt is 1 by 4f. What is the finally simplify that? 4f phi m. That is Weber per second. That is average EMF per turn equal to 4f phi m. For sinusoidal quantity from factor RMS by average. What is RMS value? 0.707. What is average value? 0.637. We get 1.11. Just multiply with 1.11 into 4 average value. What is average value? 4f phi m. That is RMS value of induced EMF 1.11 into 4f phi m. That is 4.4f phi m. Final. That is just including N1. Why N1? Because of number of primary turns. That is N1 4.44 f phi m volts. Suppose include N2 with respect to the E2, N2 into 4.44 f phi m volts. That is primary volt denoted E1, secondary denoted E2. That is induced EMF primary is E1 is N1 into 4.44 f phi m volts. Secondary E2 equal to N2 4.44 f phi m volts. That is finally induced EMF. Voltage equation of transformer, the E1 equal to 4.44 f phi m N1 volts. E2 equal to 4.44 f phi m N2 volts.